Fume cupboards account for a large portion of laboratory operating costs. In this laboratory, we've dramatically reduced operating costs by installing the TPE Ecosash system. Here's how it works. Fume cupboards constantly extract air from the laboratory. All that extracted air has to be replaced. We have to either heat or cool the replacement air, and that's where the money goes. Heating or cooling replacement air represents a big part of our budget. Ecosash unlocks the full potential of variable air volume fume cupboards. Fortunately, this laboratory has variable air supply and VAV fume cupboards. Right now, with the sash lowered, this fume cupboard is extracting only enough air to draw fumes away from the laboratory to meet the required standards. When I open the sash, the VAV controller turns up the airflow. The fume cupboard is 2.4 meters wide and the opening is 500 millimeters high. So now the VAV fume cupboard is extracting 540 liters of air per second through this opening. Here's an example about why Ecosash makes such a difference. If I forget to lower the sash before I take this phone call, Ecosash knows I'm not here. So after a pre-programmed delay, Ecosash automatically lowers the sash. When this happens, the VAV controller throttles back the airflow. So now instead of extracting 540 litres of conditioned air for every second I'm on the phone, this fume cupboard is extracting just 130 litres of air per second. Here's how Ecosash works in a multi-lab environment. This 4-storey building has 10 VAV fume cupboards on each floor. Each fume cupboard has a 2-metre wide sash with a working height of 500 millimetres. So that's 40 fume cupboards. With all sashes open, the total airflow is 16 cubic metres per second. With all sashes closed, the airflow drops to 4 cubic metres per second. That's a 75% saving. So in theory, we can slash our energy bill by making sure that every one of those 40 sashes is closed when it does not need to be opened. Ecosash gives us peace of mind. At night, when our labs are empty, we know that all the sashes have been lowered. During a busy day, we know that our variable air volume fume cupboards are delivering on their promise, minimizing energy consumption while helping to keep us safe. Ecosash will stop its automatic closure when it detects my presence. Even from a full setup height, Ecosash will lower the sash when left unattended. The light beam sensor can detect items under the door, like this bottle. If Ecosash detects an obstruction, the controller immediately stops lowering the door. A slight movement of the sash up or down will fully open or close the sash automatically. The full Ecosash system can be retrofitted to any new or existing fume cupboard. All TPE variable air volume fume cupboards are available with Ecosash. The first Ecosash was installed over 10 years ago. Contact your nearest TPE agent or distributor to find out how to realise the benefits of Ecosash.
To further reduce your laboratory energy costs, talk to TPE about installing a heat exchange unit and VAV controller.